Hello, my name is Anthony Gandera, Product Manager for DuploUSA. I would like to talk to you about the benefits of using the IMBF Intelligent Multi-Bin Feeding function on the DSC 1060i collator. Today we have the DBM 400 STR stacker, the DC 1060i collator, which has the 1060i PC controller software, which includes the IMBF Intelligent Multi-Bin Feeding function. We can utilize the IMBF feature to program the 1060i to create customized feeding sequences. And today we will be demonstrating that by using 5 different colors of paper and using the PC controller software to program these bins to create different feeding sequences. And we will also demonstrate how to manipulate those feeding sequences to change how we want the documents fed and which order to feed those in. So to start the programming of the IMBF, we must first select the paper size that we're going to be feeding. Select long edge or short edge feeding. You can select to feed to the left to a booklet maker or to the right to the DBM 400 STR. There are 2 stacking modes, straight and sort. For this application, we are selecting straight. There are 5 modes to choose from. And for this job, we will be selecting intelligent feed mode. Next, we will click on the intelligent icon, which will take us to the intelligent mode programming screen. Then, we will create our document names, and since we're using 5 different colors of paper for this application, we will specify those colors. So the first sheet is a green sheet. Sheet number 2 is a blue sheet. Sheet number 3 is a yellow sheet. Sheet number 4 is a red sheet. Sheet number 5 is a purple sheet. Now that we created our paper names, we can specify where to load these documents. So sheet number 1 will load in bin number 1. Sheet number 2 in bin number 3. Sheet number 3 in bin number 5. Sheet number 4 bin number 7. And then sheet number 5 in bin number 9. Next, we will be linking bins 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5 and 6, and 7 and 8, and 9 and 10. We can specify how many sheets of each color that we want to feed to create our set using the plus and minus keys. Another way of doing this is to select the feed data box. This will open up the feed data screen, which will allow us to build the job and also provide a visual example of the job that you're creating. And again, using the plus and minus button, we can specify the number of sheets for each color. The IMBF has two methods of pulling paper. One is the ABC paper type, and the other is the AAA paper type. When using the ABC paper type, we're pulling one sheet at a time of each color. So we're pulling from this bin 4 times. While this bin is sitting idle, nothing's pulling from this bin. Now when we're using the AAA paper type, we're pulling from both bins at the same time, twice to satisfy the 4 sheet count. So again, when using the ABC paper type, we're pulling one sheet at a time from one bin. When that bin goes empty, automatically switches to the next bin to reload. When using the AAA paper type, we're pulling from both bins to satisfy the sheet count. This is the completed job. 4 sheets of each color in the stack. So this is a basic example how you can utilize the IMBF to create customized feeding applications, either to the stacker or to the booklet maker. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us at any time, and thank you for watching.